everyone. I am starting a series of short videos just to touch base with everybody to let you know what I'm seeing in the markets and how we're making adjustments to your portfolios. I hope everybody's safe and healthy and we can hopefully come out of this with stronger portfolios than we started with. We are getting an incredible opportunity to buy high quality companies with very strong balance sheets and a lot of cash flow at a much lower prices than we were. And we're moving towards those types of companies. We're going to overweight software, which is doing very well, healthcare, which is doing well, and the consumer staples, the Costco's and Walmart's and whatnot. And we will be looking at lower volatility stocks, so we've been adding a lot of those. We're just trying to fall less than the market so that when we have our recovery, it'll be a little bit quicker. We are getting, I think, a very good opportunity to add to these portfolios. However, I do feel that the market may continue down from here. It might hold up for a little while. So we're going to be adding in a bit more of the hedge to soften the blow. It usually goes up or falls less when the market goes down. That's our extended treasury position that we just added to the portfolio a few weeks ago. And we are constantly getting asked about what to do, and some people have asked about getting out and getting back in. The problem is getting back in. It's easy to get out, but if you miss the 2 or 3 best days of any one year, you miss most of the rate of return for that whole year. I think that those will happen in this recovery, and so we just want to accumulate really good stocks. I think the recovery might be fairly quick. There's lots of stimulus that's coming at us from these different governments around the world. And there's going to be a lot of pent-up demand from consumers once we're let out of our homes. But I think we're in for a little bit of a rough ride before we get there. So hang in there. I'll continue to send these out. I'll continue to communicate letters and emails and what have you and try to let you know what we're doing. And I hope everybody stays healthy and safe. Thank you.